Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to edit WhatsApp sent message in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to edit sent message in WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp messages and edits are end-to-end encrypted like regular WhatsApp messages, calls, and media. Launch WhatsApp on your Android phone and open a conversation. Long tap the message you want to edit. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Edit. Fix your typos or enter a new message and tap the check mark beside it. The recipient only sees the new message with the edited banner under it. How to edit WhatsApp messages on the web? If you are using WhatsApp on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari, you have to open a conversation on WhatsApp for Mac. Right-click a message and select Edit. A pop-up window opens to edit the message. Type a new message and click the check mark. So, this is all about how to edit WhatsApp sent message in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.